If you turn off Route 940 onto Woodside Drive in Freeland, you'll be able to see the Hazleton Archery Club and everything that it has to offer. In fact, better yet, if you come out this weekend, you'll be able to learn all about the Archery Club at their second annual open house.
So we're hosting an open house here at the Hazleton Archery Club on Sunday, September the 8th. It's going to run from 10 until 5 p.m. at the Archery Club. There's no cost to come here. What we want to do is we want to showcase what we've done over the last several years to improve the club's facilities. You can come here and shoot for free all day long, whether it's our outdoor 3D course, which has 21 targets spread out throughout our 25 acres, or our indoor target range, which we redid this past year, or you can shoot our outdoor bag target range. We'll have lots of refreshments available for sale in our canteen, and membership applications will be available if you're interested in joining.
For anyone that comes, they'll be able to see how great the Archery Club is, as they've recently just remodeled their facility.
A lot of the changes that we've done have been pretty much across the whole entire facility. So inside here, we redid our entire indoor range. We put all new, brand new big shot targets. We redid the facade on the indoor range. We also we put a whole new heating system in, propane heating system, which helps with getting the chill out when we're doing those winter leagues in the cold months.
The inside isn't the only part of the club that has been remodeled. The outdoor shooting range has brand new life-size targets.
With our outdoor 3D range, this is the busy time of year where archers are coming out and taking advantage of the 21 targets that we have out there. They're all lifelike targets. We have moose, we have wild boar, we have white-tailed deer, which white-tailed deer season's coming up. We've got elevated shots from an elevated stand. We've got long-distance shots, short shots. So there's all kinds of opportunity to hone your skills in preparation for the hunting seasons.
People that join the club fall in love with it, like Frank Balan and Francis Harkins. Both men hold offices in the club, but both have different backgrounds as to why they got involved with the club. Balan isn't a hunter. He joined because he wanted something to do in his free time.
I'm a relatively new member to the new participant in the sport. I'm retired now from my career, and archery was something I was always interested in. So although I'm not a hunter, I enjoy the target aspect of archery. So I completely enjoy shooting inside here. I enjoy the 3D range. I enjoy the bag range. And it's just a skill, for me, it's a skill to have. It's a skill to learn to, when I'm just shooting with the bow, it's just me and the bow and the arrow and the target. And I find it a good source of relaxation.
Harkins is the complete opposite. He's been a member of the club since the 1970s.
Well, I've been around here since around the 70s. Nice place to come, relax.
So now you've obviously experienced it through a real long time.
Yeah,
how's it transitioned and been through the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, early 2000s into now?
It's a lot nicer, a lot of improvements.
One thing to note is that if you join the Hazleton Archery Club, you can use the facility all year round. So if you're a hunter, it can be used as a way to keep yourself ready for hunting season.
After the hunting seasons are over, you might want to, just stay sharp through the wintertime. It's something to do through the wintertime. We're open. We have our open shoot nights. We'll have leagues this year, and to get involved with that, so you're shooting, and you maintain that your shooting edge, and you can start doing that any time of the year, like through the summer, through the fall now, as you prep through the early fall as you prep for hunting season, and then through the winter when hunting season's done.
And also keep in mind that both the open house and the Hazleton Archery Club are open to everyone. And the best part is, if you come out to the open house and you have no experience whatsoever, you'll be taught the right way how to shoot a bow, because I have no experience. So Dennis, take me through it.
All right.
How's this go?
All right. Well, we're shooting a PSE. This is a compound bow. Now this is set at 65 pounds of draw weight, and what we're going to do is there's a couple different releases out there that people can shoot. I shoot a thumb release, okay? So I'm going to show you, first of all, how to draw back. Now, the nice thing about this release is it's got a safety feature on here that we can put this on here. A lot of people who aren't used to this will put their thumb on this part. This is your trigger that you use to release this, all right? You don't want your thumb there. You want your thumb behind it when you're drawing. But to practice, we're going to have the safety mechanism in place that even if you did pull this back and you released it, it will not come off. You won't punch yourself,
Okay.
in the face
I might
like
do
some
that.
people do, all right? So what you want to do is you're going to put your hand right in here. When you grip a bow, you don't want to grasp it really tight. You want to
Okay.
have a relaxed grip. I usually see my fingers like this. We're going to take our index finger in here and then 2 fingers there, and I usually cup one on the end, and your thumb goes behind this.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is your feet are going to be a little wider than shoulder width distance, and you don't want to be completely sideways. You want to be somewhat at a 45-degree angle so you can see the target, and you're going to draw back, and we're just going to do this and anchor it, and your nose is going to go on the string. You're going to look through that little hole right there on the string down to the sights, and what you're looking at is the top pin, which is the green pin on the top of my sights, onto your target. I don't want my thumb anywhere near this because that if I put pressure on it, it'll release.
Okay.
Okay?
I got you. So I'm going to claw.
Yep. Okay, keep that pointed down line. There, get your anchor point, get your nose down on that string.
Okay.
Top pin in the center of the big gray target.
Okay.
And then put your hand over on the other side of that barrel and just let it surprise you. Boom!
Whoa, I did it.
There you go, buddy.
Hey! Now to get a shot of that and show the viewers what it looked like.
There you go.
I can do it. If it's easy, I can do it, then I think anyone can do it.
Nice job, buddy. That was
Alrighty.
awesome.
Thanks, Dennis.
Hey.
So, hey, make sure you come out to the open house because you'll be able to do this because if I can do it, you definitely can.
Absolutely. It's a lot of fun.
Alrighty, reporting for SSPTV News, I'm John Eric Poli.